how to delete iCloud photos share library on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we then tap on the account name, and then tap on iCloud. Next, tap on Photos. Then we scroll down. In the Library section, tap on Share Library. And from here, tap on Delete Share Library. And then set here, when deleting Share Library, you can choose which photos and videos you would like to keep. Those items will be added to your personal library. So here I can choose to keep everything, and then tap on Delete Share Library. Then tap on Delete Share Library again to confirm. And that's it. Then those photos will be moved to your personal library. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.